In this video, you'll learn how to set up your Guusto account and profile in just a few minutes. Create a Guusto account with your name, email, and a password. Or, if you already have one, logged into your existing account. Depending on your team, your dashboard might show a custom bulletin board with company announcements, action items, recent activity, your team's donation impact, top gift reasons, and a nominations leaderboard. In the navigation bar, you can toggle to any teams that you are a part of, and here you can toggle between currencies. From the left side bar, you can send gifts, view your personal gift reports, redeem gifts, nominate your colleagues, and control admin settings. Let's start with your personal account settings by clicking on your name, then Settings. In your profile, you can add a profile image, personal information, and even enter an alternate sender name and turn it on to be your default name when sending gifts. You can also store default messages for every gift you send. Okay, you're all set. Interested in learning more? Click the chat bubble to access our help center or contact us anytime. Mucho gusto!